Welcome to Cloudy with a Chance of Weather 3. This activity list starts today, Friday, January 25th. It is due next Thursday, January 31st. Remember to read to self and practice your power goal. Write the name of the book you read here. Write your conclusion on this line. Remember to mark each box as you read. Your first activity is a reading focus on main topic. This is required for 10 minutes and it is a learning activity. Read Going Places in the Resource Area. This is due Friday, today. This is independent or sign up for a small group mini lesson. Required 15 minutes practice. Answer the Going Places questions in the resource area. This is also due today, Friday. This is independent work. Your next section is on writing. We are still on narrative writing. This is required 10 minutes and it is learning. Scan the QR code, narrative conclusion, then write down one conclusion from the video here on these lines. Next, your activity is required for 10 minutes and this is practice. On your Foursquare, telling a story about a time you were in a storm, complete the conclusion. The next activity is required for 10 minutes and it is practice. Scan the QR code adjectives, then complete the worksheet in the resource area. The next section is reading comprehension. This is required for 20 minutes and it is practice. Read the partner play Warm Weather Gear, then complete the wraps question in the resource area independently. The next section is listen to reading. This is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Listen to a story on Raz Kids on your level. Write the title here on this line. Take the quiz and write down your score on this line. The next section is foundational skills working on prefixes. Blue readers, write the correct prefix. Highlight the root word. Red readers, make words and write sentences. White readers, do the activity for the prefixes and read defining the words. Next, scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. This activity is optional and it is 10 minutes. It is practice. Use your computer to complete the prefix vocabulary game. Go to My Pasco Connect. Go to Flocabulary, CWTES. Listen to the video. Click on video. Then complete the vocab game. Click on vocab game. The icon you're looking for looks like this. The next section is social studies. It is required for 5 minutes in learning. Scan the QR code titled Where We Live to learn about our continent, country, state, and city. The next activity is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Complete the Where We Live paper in the resource area. The next section will help you with your severe weather journal, section floods. This is a choice for 20 minutes. It is learning. Scan the QR code to read floods, or scan the QR code and listen to floods. Then answer the question about floods in your severe weather journal. Severe weather journal, role of water. This is a choice for 20 minutes and it is learning. Read air masses and fronts or listen to air masses and fronts. This is a choice for 20 minutes. It is learning. Read danger ahead, storm watch, or scan the QR code and listen to danger ahead, storm watch. This is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. After completing all of the above learning activities, complete the temperature and severe weather page in your severe weather journal. Severe Weather Planner, basic information about hurricanes. This is required 20 minutes. It is learning. Read hurricanes and complete the hurricane web from the resource area. Then glue this on the hurricane web page of your severe weather journal. Good luck!